like your Tim's shoes and your gym shoes. Always with your crew, so the drama ensues. You win, you lose, nothing that improve. You're on a pedestal.
Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Gigi Perfectface back with another lash tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing bottom lashes. Basically, I'm going to be taking some strips. These are from the Dollar Tree and it's from LA Colors and her name is Diva. I also have another style named Dreamy, but I'm going to be using Diva today. So I also have other stuff that I use for bottom lashes that aren't bottom lashes. 13 millimeters. These are just some individuals that will usually be for your top lashes, but I've used them for bottoms before. I have lashes from like Ardell, Kiss, just random stuff that I just make bottom lashes. But today I'm going to be using Diva, and these are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be showing you how I cut them and apply them and make them into bottom lashes. Really, you can make anything, well, any type of lash into bottom, so yeah. Some stuff would be better to make bottom lashes than others, but today I'm going to be going in with these. And I'm going to show you how I split them up. And then one thing about these strip lashes is that the band is really thin, so it's going to not be so clumpy and like heavy. Like the band is super thin. It's like clear. It's a clear band. Or you probably can just go ahead and glue the strip, like the full strip, but I don't do that. I like to cut it up and make it like more of an individual thing. So, and it's more comfortable when it's like not all one piece of strip. So y'all excuse these sticker. I mean, y'all excuse these stills. It has like really, it's like dirty. So I'm just cutting the strips up. Keep in mind, the smaller you cut them, the more natural it can kind of look, and you know, the more of a natural effects it can give. So now I'm just gonna take these tweezers. Make sure the tweezers don't have like gunkiness on it or anything, so it won't bother what you have going on and trying to do. So that's the first lash, and I'm just gonna keep cutting them and applying them. Really simple. I usually don't do this with makeup, but today I am for the sake of the video. So, and the smaller you cut them, the more natural. Okay, I gave it a slight clean it. I didn't want them to be completely like separated. Make sure you don't have too much glue on the lash, like a chunk of glue on it. So, and the band is really thin, so you guys, you really won't feel them if you're used to wearing bottom lashes especially, or like wearing under lashes. Yeah, these are really good strips to use. Bands that are like super thin, you don't want anything like this. Probably going to not be the most comfortable thing, and I'm just applying them, and just, you can choose which lashes you want to use as individual. You don't have to use all of them, you know, certain cuts of it you might not want, so just pick and choose the lashes you want out of the set. It's really simple, nothing really crazy dramatic. I had tried some like lash extension glue, but it just burned too much for me. I don't really see the big difference with the longevity. So I just went back to the track glue. Just make sure the glue isn't really like super stale. It works best when it's new, for me anyway. And I'm not putting it in my eyeball. I'm just putting it like at the close to the waterline. So, you know, you can save these and use them another time. I'm left with a few lashes, so I don't have any more room over here, so I'm gonna move on to the next set. You cut the lashes, make sure there aren't any loose strands, because it can poke you in your eyeball. Like, you know, when little pieces of hair is disconnected from the lash, and then you feel a poking feel. That's what that can be. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the full set of bottom lashes. Of course, I still had some left, and you know, maybe you guys just want to do this for like a, you know, just a certain look, and then you can take them off, and you know, you can continuously reuse them. Just peel the glue off the same you would with the strip lash. Just take the glue, and you can still reuse them, because who finna keep wasting lashes like these? Will still look good. So yeah, let me give y'all a close up. I honestly definitely should have put something right there. And it definitely just took my look up a notch as well. Like I'm giving like, it's giving full lash set like I went and got them did. Well, they do look a little homemade a little bit, but nonetheless, they giving me like what they supposed to give. I just feel more complete and just feel more completed. Like I don't feel complete without my bottom lashes. So yeah, hopefully you guys try this and you like it. It's a lot of stuff you can, again, you can use individual lashes and make those bottom lashes. You can use the little clusters, or you can just get you some cheap strip lashes and cut them up. Make sure the band is thin so it won't be so heavy on your eye. And yeah, basically that completes this video. See y'all in my next one.